Welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to Hanoi now, and man, once you know it, just being here in Vietnam already, the security customs are a little more different. So Max over here had to go through a little bit of drama today, but hopefully we don't have any more drama like that on this trip, and we'll get back to you shortly. So we arrived at our hotel for the day, took a little cat nap, and our entire family decided to leave us. We don't know where they went, but that's all right. So as we came outside, it started to rain, and we started to seek shelter from the rain, and we hopped into this little place called the Mojito Bar. Their signature drink is called the pho, and if you know anything about Vietnam, that is the most famous rice noodle dish from there. So this guy made us a wonderful drink, and it actually looks like pho. So let's give it a try. That is not bad. As this is day 4 of our vacation, we've eaten a lot of pho already, and to drink it in an alcoholic form, you guys got to try this. So we just traveled 2.5 hours from Hanoi to visit where my grandparents came from. Apparently they lived right here. They had a home built right here, but they took it down. And just being out here kind of humbles you in such a way that, you know, even if you're the poorest in America, you have it really good. Because I'll show you why right now.
Soul, but still you play the radio. I changed my name 2 years ago. Left that old sound, forward I go. I like it loud, you like it low. Drown you in bass, Titanic flow. Everybody hit that shmoney about a week ago. Yeah, I know that's not my style, but I still play it though. Tell me something that I want to hear. All that criticism in my head goes out my ears. The right resolve is never given, need to grab a hold. Despite it all, think I should let it go. So don't change. He says don't stray, stay your own. They say follow where we go. These days kings race for their thrones. Their tall tales boost their egos. Lately I sit back with the nothing. Mixtape days we missing, but I know these songs will play. I'm senseless, but I'm focused. You fell asleep when I wrote this. We so dope, don't quote this. Yeah, I know these songs will stay. Tell me something that I want to hear. All that criticism in my head goes out my ears. The right resolve is never given, need to grab a hold. Despite it all, think I should let it go. So don't change. He says don't stray, stay your own. They say follow where we go. These days kings race for their thrones. Their tall tales boost their egos. Lately I sit back with the view. Take all this time to think anew. Ways to express what's going unsung. Translate them to my native tongue.
So today I've crossed off something off my bucket list, something that I've always wanted to do, be in Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Here in Ha Long Bay, you can see there's over 1,600 limestone islands that come straight out of the water. It is absolutely breathtaking, and I'm sure the video won't do it any justice. On that note, cue those cinematic bars. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of Ha Long Bay. It's one of my bucket list items. If you ever have the chance or the means to get here, I would definitely recommend it. On that note, if you like this video, hit that like button below, smash it if that's something you want to do, subscribe if you already haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.
So don't change. He says don't stray, stay your own. They say follow where we go. These days kings race for their thrones. Their tall tales boost their egos. Lately I sit back with the view. Take all this time to think anew. Ways to express what's going unsung. Translate them to my native tongue.